kimchi, special kimchi, quarantine kimchi, cabbage, spring onion, radish yan radish, carrots, pears. This pears is only optional. If you don't want to put it, it's okay. And then this is a Korean pepper paste. Ito yung tsura niya. We need to put it in the kimchi for additional ingredients. Onion. We need also garlic and ginger. This is our garlic, ginger. So sorry, pinagkasya ko na siya sa isang bowl. And ito yung rice flour. So pinaste na namin siya. So madali lang na siya gawin. I-boil mo, kuha ka lang ng tubig. Basta ipipaste mo lang siya. Tapos chili powder, fish sauce, kailangan din natin yan, and the chili flakes. So start na natin, and sugar. Kailangan din natin ng sugar. Start na natin kung paano siya gawin. And the chopper. Kailangan din natin ng chopper. Kung wala kayong electric chopper, so mag-manual na lang kayo. Pero merong electric chopper para mas mabilis. So, guys, pakita natin kung paano siya gawin one by one. Step that we did is we soaked this cabbage with the salt for 1 hour. And the second preparation we do is the rice flour. You need to do to make it paste before you cut all this vegetable that we needed in the ingredients. Check natin. You need to check kung na-blend siya ng equally. So, enough? So, hindi pa siya enough. Kailangan pa natin siya blend kasi may mga buo pa siyang ginger. So, after the blending, we're going to put all the seasoning first inside this bowl. So, the pepper paste, we will put it here in the jar. We're going to mix it. 1 spoon. Or better you put it all. That's spicy. That is spicy, please. Pepper paste, please. Then chili powder. So the amount of chili powder, I think half of the bottle. Ganyan siya ka-spicy. So we will blend it and mix it properly. And the fish sauce. We're not using measuring cup. Tansyahan na lang. So blend ulit natin siya. Mix ulit natin siya. Blend it properly. Mix it properly. Stir it properly. We add little more chili powder. And the chili flakes. Wow! I think I cannot eat this one. It's very spicy. Some people want very spicy. And the sesame seeds. Sesame seeds. That's only optional, right? Optional, the sesame seeds. If you don't want the sesame seeds, you can. But it's for more delicious and good result, better you put also sesame seeds for the originality of our recipe. Then next is sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it. So, ayan na siya. So, this is our third step. Put all the vegetable in the bowl. for watching for our video. Hope you like it, the homemade kimchi. And see you on my next video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, time to subscribe and like my video. Thank you.